Karnataka Congress President D.K. Shivakumar on Thursday said he has received summons from the Enforcement Directorate to appear before it in connection with the case of money laundering. Calling the action of the ED harassment, he questioned the timing of the summons when the Congress's Bharat Jodo Yatra was on and when the State Assembly session was underway. The former minister, who is also an MLA, said he is ready to cooperate, but it is coming in the way of discharging his constitutional and political duties. In the midst of the Bharat Jodo Yatra and the Assembly session, they have again issued me an ED summon to appear. I am ready to cooperate, but the timing of this summon and the harassment I am put through is coming in the way of discharging my constitutional and political duties, Shivakumar tweeted.